Ollama versus DeepSeek. Which AI model is better for your needs? Choosing the right AI can transform your workflow without unnecessary complexity. We'll look at both models' capabilities and ideal uses. Ollama and DeepSeek are powerful AI models designed for different applications. Ollama focuses on advanced language understanding and local deployment, while DeepSeek specializes in AI-powered search and data retrieval. The core difference lies in their primary functions and deployment methods. Ollama is an AI platform that enables developers and businesses to run large language models locally or on private servers, ensuring data privacy and control. It works by providing streamlined access to models like LLM-A4, allowing customization and integration without relying on cloud services. Ollama's strengths include offline capability, enhanced security, and flexibility in deployment, making it ideal for sensitive environments or users prioritizing data ownership. However, it requires some technical knowledge to set up and maintain, which might limit accessibility for casual users. The model excels in natural language processing tasks such as content generation, summarization, and conversational AI. Ideal users include developers, enterprises with strict privacy needs, and AI enthusiasts who want hands-on control over their AI models. DeepSeek is an AI-driven search platform designed to provide fast, accurate data retrieval and analysis across various data sources. It leverages advanced AI algorithms to understand queries contextually and deliver relevant results beyond keyword matching. DeepSeek's strengths lie in its ability to handle large datasets, perform semantic search, and integrate with existing business tools for enhanced productivity. It is cloud-based, offering ease of access and scalability without the need for local infrastructure. However, relying on cloud services means data privacy depends on the provider's security measures, which may concern some users. DeepSeek is best suited for businesses and professionals who need efficient knowledge discovery, research, or customer support enhancements. Its user-friendly interface and powerful backend make it accessible to non-technical users focused on maximizing information retrieval. Comparing Ollama and DeepSeek highlights their distinct use cases. Ollama offers local model deployment, perfect for users requiring data privacy and customization, such as enterprises handling sensitive information. Its offline functionality ensures uninterrupted AI access, but demands technical setup. DeepSeek excels in cloud-based semantic search, ideal for organizations needing quick, scalable data insights without infrastructure overhead. While DeepSeek offers ease of use and broad integration, it depends on cloud security and internet connectivity. In scenarios where data control and offline access are priorities, Ollama stands out. Conversely, for teams prioritizing seamless search capabilities and scalability, DeepSeek is the better choice. Both models trade off between control and convenience, making the decision dependent on your specific workflow and security needs. Choose Ollama if you need robust local AI deployment with strong privacy controls and customization for complex natural language tasks. DeepSeek is the top choice for efficient cloud-based AI search and data retrieval with easy integration and scalability. Selecting between these depends on your priorities, control and privacy with Ollama, or convenience and speed with DeepSeek.